This year we're going to host our second annual Next Generation Scholars Research Fair. This is in partnership with Lafayette Tecumseh Junior High School. The research fair features on-campus poster presentation of graduate students' research from all academic areas in the Purdue Graduate School. Graduate students get to present their research to 7th and 8th grade students from Tecumseh Junior High School. In addition to that, they can include some types of demonstrations or discussions of their research.
That I participated this year because I wanted to show the other side of science, that there's a social sciences, and it's not always just biology and chemistry. That's what most students think of when they do science fair. I wanted to show that there are other things that you can do that deal with humans or even just with history. That you can actually have a science fair poster and you don't have to do the typical I took chemicals and I poured them into a tube type of thing.
This is a good way for me to practice speaking in general terms and speaking to people who are not familiar with things that I'm doing.
I think for the junior high students, they got to see a new part of Purdue University. They're more used to seeing the sports teams or the undergraduate programs, and they were exposed to the Purdue University Graduate School. And through that, they were able to see what types of avenues are open to them in terms of research, scientific research, research in social sciences, that represent the broad range of opportunities available at the Purdue University Graduate School. So I think it was important for them to see that element of Purdue University, which is not as much exposed to the Lafayette community.
And not only did they get then to understand what I'm doing and why it's important, but they got to interact with my research because I let them hold them, and granted some of them got lost, sorry, we found them again, but it gave them the opportunity to actually see what I'm doing, feel what I'm doing, and to better understand what I'm doing.
I had a middle school student tell me that my research was really cool, and to me, that was awesome because sometimes my research can get kind of boring, but seeing that they get excited about what my research can do for the real world,
This is a great opportunity for graduate student professional development. It's actually something they could put on their vita because it's a research fair. It's been supported by the university through the graduate school. And it's a community engagement initiative through which we can share what we're doing in our research with young students. And that should be a goal for all of us, is to incite their imagination and show them what potential avenues are available in our field. So it's professional development and it's community engagement.
It's just fun to interact with students that of an age group that you might not typically interact with. They ask a lot of interesting questions.
If you're interested in participating in the Next Generation Scholars Research Fair, or you would like more information, please visit our Facebook page by searching Next Generation Scholars, or visit in the PGSG website at purdue.edu/PGSG. We do have an application deadline for November 14th. To apply, you need to have a 250-word abstract that you'll submit online at the PGSG website. If you have other questions, please contact myself or a senator with the Purdue Graduate Student Government. Thank you for considering our program.